Listen, I'm not sure. Maybe I shouldn't go.
Jody, you've been begging me for weeks. You're not gonna back out now.
I don't know anybody there. They might all hate me, and... Stress is awful. Let's just go.
Just take a deep breath. There's no reason to panic. It's just a birthday party. I'm sure everybody will like you. You'll have fun, maybe meet some new friends. Go on. Oh, don't forget your present. It's a book of poetry by Poe. It's 50 years old and very rare. I'm sure she'll like it. Don't worry. It's gonna be all right. I'll pick you up at 5. Have fun.
Hey, Jody, come in.
Hi.
Hey, Kirsten, you coming? I gotta go. Come in, Jody, don't be shy.
Hey, Jody, right? Come on, we're in the living room. Some girls from my school and least dorky guys we could find. Oh, is that a present for me? Cool, thanks.
I'm off, darling. Look after your friends and don't do anything stupid, all right?
Sure, Mom, whatever you say. Oh, finally, she gets the hint. Hey, everyone. This is Jody. She's in Unit 4 with my mom.
Unit 4? The paranormal department?
Ooh, what you do there? Bend spoons or speak to dead people? Stuff
No.
like that?
No.
Woo! Party time! I'll get the beer. Guys, do the shutters. Girls, do the candles. And Jody, you can take care of the music. Let's get crazy! What kind of garbage is that? Slide over. We'll put on something from this century. Something really popping. Hid it under my bed for a week. My mom doesn't even go into my room anymore. She's totally oblivious.
Kirsten, you're a genius.
Jody, you want one?
Yeah, cool, sure.
Hey, don't choke on it. I bet it's her first time.
No, I've had some before.
Of course you have. Want some?
Sure.
Ooh, first time, huh? It got me that way, too.
You okay, Jody? You're acting kind of weird.
Hey, Paleface. You sure you feel all right? You're not looking too hot, Jody.
Ooh, you look kind of scary like that.
You okay, Jody?
I know what you're thinking. You're wondering why we're here. I'm thinking the same thing. I know, you told me. Just wanted to see what it would be like to go out and have friends. This is not what I expected.
You're no good for me. That's what you are. Bad boy, bad boy. It's insanity that
Hi.
kills me.
Hi, I'm Matt. Jody, right?
Keep using it to an inside.
I've never seen you at school before. You don't take classes on bass?
I'm in a different program with my own teacher.
Right. Because I sure do remember if I'd seen you around before. So, you work with Kirsten's mother?
Yeah. We work in the same lab. She thought it would be a good idea for me to come and spend time with people my age, so here I am.
I used to live in London before I moved here 2 years ago. And you? Where did you live before?
New York?
Man, I love New York. It's awesome. I went there once and it blew me away. Do you have any hobbies? Anything you do for, like, fun? I surf any chance I get, and I play in a band with a bunch of friends. And you, what are you into?
It's gonna sound really boring. I like to read, and I like sports. I mean, I can't leave the base, so it sort of limits things.
Can I ask you something? Why are you in Unit 4?
I sort of... I have a gift, a link with an entity.
An entity? You mean a ghost or something like that?
Oh, this is gonna sound really crazy, but it's kind of like an invisible presence that follows me.
Is it here now?
Yeah. Yeah, he's listening to us.
Oh, slow dance. Are you up for it?
I don't really know how.
That's all right. I don't really know how to either, so... You know, I'm sure you hear this all the time, but you're really pretty, you know?
Do you say that to all the girls you meet?
You're not like other girls. I mean, there's something special about you.
Thanks. You don't really know me. Thanks for the dance, Matt, but I think I'll pass.
Guys, why doesn't Jody give us a demonstration of her super mega powers?
No,
Great
no,
idea.
no,
I'd pay to see that.
Ugh, forget it. It's just a little bull.
Yeah, come on, Jody. Show us what you can do.
Okay, Jody, you up for demonstration?
All right, then.
So, what are you gonna do, Jody?
Just be quiet and don't move.
Ooh, I'm scared already. I just wet my pants.
Shut up, Steven.
The table. Look at the table.
Shit, man, what the hell was that?
The TV! Look at the TV! Wait, can you hear that? It sounds like a voice. Okay, I've had enough.
Yeah, me too.
That was really scary.
I didn't mean to frighten anyone. Sorry, you guys insisted and...
Right, okay, guys, it's time to eat that delicious cake, and most important, to open my birthday gifts. Actually, the cake can wait. I'm opening my gifts first. Love, Jen, XXX. Aw, that's nice, babe. I bet it's knee socks. A thong! Just exactly what I needed.
Now you can stop stealing your mom's.
And improve your chances of finding a decent boyfriend.
My future lover wants to thank you for making his life more interesting.
What is that?
An old book. It smells funky.
It's a really rare collection. Poems by Edgar Allan Poe.
Edgar Allan who?
What, did you steal this from your grandpa's library?
No, and it's really rare.
Yeah, just like your dress.
No, seriously, is this a joke? I can't believe you came all the way to my birthday party just to give me this old crap.
And she thinks she's so clever. But she's just a little lab rat.
A freaky little lab rat.
Yeah, she's been following me around like a puppy all evening, begging for it.
Oh, and she's a slut too.
I never wanted to invite her. My mom made me.
Yeah, she's a slut. A slut and a witch. We should, like, do something to her.
What do you do with witches? You burn them.
Ah! Get her! Please! Stop!
Oh, mistress of the obscure darkness,
Let me go!
bring forth your mighty power.
Please! Please let me From out! the first moment I saw I'm her. begging you! Please let me out!
Did
Please!
someone say cake?
Please! I want to get out!
This is making me
Please, I
hungry.
want to get out! I'm begging
let's
you!
get this
Please
party
let me out! Get me out of here. Please.
Go, Aiden.
Well done. Very funny, Steven.
Hey, it wasn't me. I didn't do it this time.
Shit, that's crazy. I'm getting out of here.
Don't leave me alone. Okay, wait for me.
The door, it won't open.
It's impossible. Try harder.
I'm telling you, it's locked.
Keep calm. There's no reason to panic. The windows. Try the windows.
They're locked.
Guys, this is a joke. It's really
What was that?
I know there's someone here.
I'm not staying here.
Enough, Aiden. I think they got the message. Come on, let's go. I said that's enough. Come back, we're leaving.
God, what happened? They tried to kill her. She's the devil. She's the devil.
Come on, Judy. Let's go home.